I'm gonna.
Oh Lord, have mercy on us. But I'm actually so excited. Do something. So everyone, you actually joined me in my rented out, I don't know what it is, Volkswagen Courier or something like that. This is gonna be a sick day. So this is the interior view. It's our cruise control and 550 miles on the clock. Yeah, I've done more miles than that already. I forgot to reset it earlier. But right, let's jump into what this day is gonna be. Today is literally gonna be so many missions. I'm gonna first go over to Kettering, pick up an engine. Well, no, actually, first going over to Machine Mart to pick up some tools. Then going over to Kettering to pick up an engine crane. Then from there, going all the way over to Manchester to pick up the engine, gearbox, and everything else. And then from there, I'm gonna be coming back home, back to Birmingham. So this is gonna be a very eventful, long day. 6 hours driving. Ooh. Manual life for you. You can probably tell from the title already what I'm going to be doing today. So yes, I'm going to go pick up a new engine for my BMW 3 Series. I thought I'd get a big van because it's just way easier than trying to put it in an estate or anything like that. It's fairly cheap and affordable to do. So I'm going to go pick up Ehsan and we're going to go from there basically. Let go. Damn, look at the amount of storage there is in this thing. There's like so much storage everywhere and damn. This is kind of cool, you know. I wouldn't want to drive this every day, but like for trips like this is wicked, man. 3 people riding along. Well, I've only got one other passenger, but it could have been 3 people. Literally so excited right now. I actually can't believe that I'm about to go pick up all these things and get an engine for my BMW. Like, this is just next level. So excited. Hello.
Where did you get this car?
New whip, man. Picked it up today.
It's kind of big, you know.
Yeah, imagine the size system gonna fit in the back.
Oh, they got handlebars for you to chill in with. So you're there, just chilling in the bus. Stop, mate. Jump off. Oh.
That's just. Oh, snap. Ah, you know I'm gonna put that there. Let the jokes continue. Right, Machine Mart done. We got some stuff. Lego. Comfortable, yeah?
Chilling.
Van life. So literally right now on route to Manchester to pick up everything else now for the car. So engine hoist now in the back, engine stand now in the back, straps to hold the engine down while we're driving is now in the back. So yeah, next time is sleeping.
Bob, the van man, out here. We are driving vans and everything.
So what's the van life like?
It's alright, it's a bit wobbly for some reason. It's I don't know, it's going around everywhere. It's alright, man.
Could it be because of the road?
Could be.
I think the road. It must be the road.
Doesn't feel safe though.
The road.
Everything.
I think it's the road.
Oh my god, it's the road.
It's the road. The road doesn't feel safe.
I think we've established that now.
These roads are legit crazy, man. Wow. So much bumpiness.
Well, I don't understand. This is really bumpy, and it's pulling me all the way to the left for some reason. Flappy paddles.
Oh my god. Oh yes. Look at that view, people. This is crazy. I've got them working for me, but how clean this is. So we're testing this out right now. It's got lane assist and it's correcting itself. What? Take over steering. Oh, okay. Let's let it do it again now. Oh, it's turning. Oh, it's gonna fix itself. It's actually fixing itself. Yes, yes. Yo, that was sick. Made it. Oh, snap. Dropped my phone. Made it back. There is the engine. Everything else. And this is his new home, basically. So it's gonna go. Right. Let's get everything out. Right everyone, so that's basically the engine picked up now, which is honestly like, I can't believe that I'm actually going through this. Like, some people are on YouTube and everything like that, probably done loads of things like this before, but not me. I've never done anything like this before. So yeah, that's the first stage. Gotta still look for some other parts to complete off the conversion and everything like that, but now is the time for me to actually go and drop off the van. So just heading back over to Birmingham Airport to get that done basically. Yeah, this has been kind of a very different kind of vlog part to the E30 build, because I've actually not done anything to the E30. I've just been going and collecting some stuff. Yo, Hertz actually have one of these. That's sick. Inside this box, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yes. That's the good stuff right there. It's basically, for all the work that I'm going to be doing, I thought it'd be worth me investing in an electric cordless ratchet. So it just saved me a little bit of time and a little bit of energy, so I can be a little bit more lazy, but I can take care of my body a bit better and have more energy to do other things. Now, I got the kit off from Amazon. It was only £99 and it includes 2 batteries, the charger, the actual main wrench, and a bag to keep it all in. If it is something that you guys will, oh, you can see the mess behind me, but if it is something that you guys will be interested in getting yourself, then I'll put a link down below in the description of where you can get it from, exactly which one it is that I got, so you guys can get it yourselves as well. It was free delivery as well from Amazon, which is always a good thing. So everyone, excuse the color of my top right now, because it using the gimbal in a bit of a weird way right now. What? Okay, I gotta get used to this gimbal business, but it's the next day and I am gonna basically be looking at setting up that thing right there. So I gotta basically make the engine stand right now, set it all up so I can actually put the engine up over there. Wow, this is really like I'm like, some ways I'm moving it the opposite way because I'm doing it in selfie mode right now. So that's why I'm getting it all kinds of confused. So left is right and right is left, but up and down is the same. So that's me messing up with that. So yeah, I'm gonna basically be setting all that up right now, prepping this area so I can put the engine up onto its stand and then be all good and chilling with the engine basically being secured. And yeah, there's so much going on right now, people. I got so much to update you guys on. So let's jump into all of that. So real quickly, I want to update you guys on a couple of things that are going to be happening going forward on the channel. So I've actually gone and done a fair bit of investment into the channel because I thought if I get my money together and everything like that, I'll be able to deliver some really good content, be able to finish my E30 the way I want to, and be able to go forward with everything else the way I've always been dreaming of it. So this is kind of investing in me. At the same time, I'm investing in good quality content for you guys. So in terms of the E30 build, I'm going to be doing a vlog series where I'm going to be vlogging the things that I'm doing to the car here and there, but I'm also going to be doing videos where I'm going to actually do proper tutorials, proper things of how to do X, Y, and Z. So you're going to see videos of me vlogging about how I'm going to be doing the engine swap. At the same time, I'm going to be doing a complete how to with the engine swap, going really in depth with it all. Going to be a one-stop shop basically for the E30, doing an M52 swap. So that's one thing that I want to be talking about. Again, with the other cars that I've got, so the Skyline, I am still looking to sell it, but I think I will need to do a couple of bits and pieces of work to it, which will be good for the sale value of the car. At the same time, be good for the new owner and everything like that, as well as while I own the car, at least I know that it's all up to scratch and everything like that. The 6 Series, there are still some bits and pieces that I'm going to be looking at doing to that car. Not hugely modifying it or anything like that. Again, that's going to be kept more for the E30, but it is something that's in the works. In terms of the channel overall, well, I need feedback from my subscribers and everyone like that. If there is anything in particular that you guys want to see from me, just let me know. Or if you think that the way that I'm vlogging or anything like that needs to change slightly, just tell me and I'll be more than welcoming to all of that advice and everything like that. At the moment, I am doing things at my own pace, but I do want to step it up a bit because I do really want the channel to grow. You know, I'm over 1,000 subscribers now and everything, so it's a big thing for me. I think the more and more I get involved in it, the more and more I get into the whole building the cars and everything like that, the more excited I'm gonna get and the more you guys are gonna like it. So it's a community thing. I'm looking to do more stuff with other car guys and everything like that, going to more drives and long like, you know, long cruises and things and photo shoots and things like that. I think the community of being a car enthusiast, there's only a small amount of it that's really shown online on YouTube and things like that. There's so much more to it that I would like to show you guys, you know, the bits that aren't always just so fancy and like crazy burnouts or crazy car racing and things like that. There's other parts of the car community that we just all don't get to see and stuff like that. So I really want to try and start bringing that out into my channel. But yeah, for the time being, this is where the channel's at right now. But for now, let's carry on with everything that we're going to be doing right here. So first things first, real quick, check you have everything like here, there. So I've laid everything out. It's kind of weird because I didn't think I had the handle for a little bit, but it was actually hidden inside of there and blah blah blah. But now I'm going to start putting all of this together. It's kind of self-explanatory with this, with all this information and everything like that. So I'm just going to put it together. I don't think you guys would actually want to see me put it together, so let's go. So everyone, I've created, well, not created, I've built the engine stand up just there. It's literally just one from Machine Mart. It's one of the Clark's ones. So I'll show you guys that real quickly now actually. So there it is. It's the 450 kilogram one. Reason why I got this one instead of the cheapest one is because just in case I do bigger engine swaps in future builds or anything like that, I've got it available. You know, if I'm playing around with V8s or V12s or V10s, it's all there ready. I'm actually not going to be moving the engine today because it's, well, the shop that I need to get the next tool from is closed right now. So I'm going to get an engine hoist balancer, so it balances out the engine and it's a little bit easier to lift from. at the moment, Machine Mart, they kind of told my brother to get this one while he was out, trying to find the right bits and pieces to get, while I was picking up the engine. And it's basically not what should be used right now. So to kind of lift the engine from, I'd rather get the engine balancer, lift it all up, bit more secure. I need to move it away from here because this isn't a lot of space. I could technically remove the flywheel and everything like that off from here right now, but I don't really want to because I won't be able to get good footage for you guys. So I'd rather wait, lift this, move it over here a little bit more, and then remove everything and then fit everything on, because basically you need to remove that to be able to get to the studs to be able to connect that bit onto it. So I'm gonna wait for tomorrow to do that, but yeah, for now this is gonna basically be it for this video. I'm gonna cut it here because I gotta wait for the tool, so I'd rather do it all safely because I'm gonna be doing majority of it on my own. In the meantime, what I'm going to be looking at doing is going on the net right now, looking up some new parts and bits and pieces that I want to get for this. For example, I do need to get an M50 manifold. I need to get, you know, new flywheel, new clutch, new this and that. Loads of bits and pieces that just kind of constantly be ordered for this engine swap. I'm going to basically be doing a complete engine refresh before it goes in. So literally, there's going to be so much going on. I'm also going to be looking at what the best setup will be for the suspension. I know I'm going to look at getting a new steering rack and bits and pieces like that. So if you guys have any suggestions for me, please leave a comment below or get in contact with me via Instagram or something like that. You know, I always love getting in contact with other people with the E30s. But for now, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.